Hello everyone, welcome to AI DBA Hub channel. We are talking about Oracle 19c2 Oracle AI Database 26 AI upgrade paths and sneak peek. What is the fastest upgrade method DBAs don't talk about often? The fastest and safest way for 19c upgrade it is achieving by auto upgrade tool utility. So as Oracle highly recommended us to upgrade the Oracle 19c database to 23AI or 26AI through auto upgrade tool. So that is the safest and fastest way for Oracle 19c upgrades. Thank you.